Welcome, my sweet sisters in Christ. Today I want to share 5 habits that have transformed my heart and my home. Habits that any woman, no matter her season or schedule, can begin today. Being a godly homemaker isn't about having a perfect house. It's all about inviting God to be Lord over every room. Before you scroll or even speak to anyone, speak to God. Wake up in the morning, stretch your arms and say, Lord, thank you for this day. Guide me. Now, it doesn't have to be so long. All you have to do is to open your heart. Psalm chapter 5 verses 3 says, In the morning, Lord, you hear my voice. So let your first thoughts belong to Him and watch how the peace of God shapes the rest of your day. Laundry, dishes, wiping the floor for the 5th time, it can really feel exhausting. But Colossians chapter 3 verse 23 reminds us, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart as working for the Lord. That means folding your husband's shirt can be an act of worship, or scrubbing the sink can be a prayer of gratitude. When your hands serve with joy, your home becomes a sanctuary. Proverbs chapter 15 verses 1 says, A gentle answer turns away wrath. As women, we carry great influence through our words. You can calm a tense moment or ignite it. So, choose peace, choose to bless. Even when things feel overwhelming, speak softly. Respond slowly, and remember, your children and your husband hear more than your words. They hear your spirit. Don't let the pursuit of perfection rob you of precious moments. My sister, you don't need to cook like a chef, or you don't need to decorate like Pinterest. Your presence, your warmth, your prayers, your hugs, this is what your family will remember. If you read Psalm chapter 127, verse 2, it says, It's in vain that you rise early and go late to rest, for He gives to His beloved sleep. My dear sister, let rest and presence take root in your home. The book of Proverbs chapter 4 verse 23 says, Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Be careful with what you consume, the shows you watch, the voices you follow online, the conversations you dwell on. A godly homemaker watches over her heart like a garden. So pull out the weeds of comparison and water the soil with God's truth. A guarded heart brings peace, and peace brings power. These 5 habits won't make life perfect, but they'll make it holy. If this encouraged you, share with a sister and don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep creating homes full of faith and joy together. Be blessed.